Yeah, okay, welcome to the gun show, let's flex. Fuck your biceps, you can see the tech strapped to the triceps. Any funny moves, pistol whip him out his conscience. Now we in your wallet, better relocate. In the hood, you a target. Tag him up, mark him. Heavy on supplies, yeah, the sticks, we gon' spark them. Niggas talk bars, yeah, hella hard. I'm in the tropics with my bra, smoking out the jar. Respect overpowered, jet fuel over sour. 1,000 deaths, you gon' die like a coward. You ain't got manners, feed them to the wolves. Now it's flesh damage, shoot him in the head. Cap got dandruff, fur in the coop. Buy your bitch, feed me fruits. I'm sipping ace like a player, play it cool. Ain't no telling when it's time to clutch the tool. Leave your brains by the school when your kids coming out. Niggas talk shit to the blick drumming out and that blood gushing. The burner ain't German, that bitch Russian.
Welcome to the gun show.
Put you niggas in the headlock.
Pussy. Welcome to the gun show.
Hit you niggas with a headshot.
A young and low, my brother's blood, nobody give a fuck. It's 2020, they ride together until you give it up. Fly family, don't think of colors when you think of us. Think sick shit, high fevers, niggas spitting up. Think your last breath, that final moment, then you giving up. Think a big bag, yeah, no bitch gon' rob and givens us. You niggas got the word cool, tell them that they shift is up. A sign here, get a pack, you shitting us the only way. If I take a shot, that ain't remind you of Kobe J's, counting Kobe Jack. Light a plane and watch me float away. I bubble, when I pop ain't gon' be no sound that a soda made. Old money, my presidents cheated on they bitch with older me. We still work, try one of us, you get killed first. Feel burst, stretch Cadillac, you get a wheel hearse. Think about your hottest shit, ain't touching my chill verse. Click boom, tell every nigga you know that the real's worse. Welcome to the gun show.
Put you niggas in the headlock.
Pussy. Welcome to the gun show.
Hit you niggas with a headshot.